Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about verb forms. Present past participle. Remember, remembered, remembered. Remember, remembered, remembered. Respond, responded, responded. Respond, responded, responded. Request, requested, requested. Request, requested, requested. Recollect, recollected, recollected. Recollect, recollected, recollected. Recover, recovered, recovered. Recover, recovered, recovered. Remind, reminded, reminded. Remind, reminded, reminded. Radiate, radiated, radiated. Radiate, radiated, radiated. Render, rendered, rendered. Render, rendered, rendered. Return, returned, returned. Return, returned, returned. Retire, retired, retired. Retire, retired, retired. Resist, resisted, resisted. Resist, resisted, resisted. Repent, repented, repented. Repent, repented, repented. Repeat, repeated, repeated. Repeat, repeated, repeated. Resign, resigned, resigned. Resign, resigned, resigned. Penetrate, penetrated, penetrated. Penetrate, penetrated, penetrated. Prohibit, prohibited, prohibited. Prohibit, prohibited, prohibited. Proceed, proceeded, proceeded. Proceed, proceeded, proceeded. Propose, proposed, proposed. Propose, proposed, proposed. Purchase, purchased, purchased. Purchase, purchased, purchased. Pretend, pretended, pretended. Pretend, pretended, pretended. Prevent, prevented, prevented. Prevent, prevented, prevented. Prefer, preferred, preferred. Prefer, preferred, preferred. Praise, praised, praised. Praise, praised, praised. Punish, punished, punished. Punish, punished, punished. Permit, permitted, permitted, permit, permitted, permitted. Publish, published, published, publish, published, published.